Now let's make some time elapse so that the sun changes its position relative to the moon and the earth. You will then find that you can make out the illuminated surface of the moon in the form of a crescent shape. A crescent shape that keeps growing in area. It keeps growing in area until you get a half moon. So this kind of a crescent moon that keeps growing until the half moon is reached is called a waxing crescent. A waxing crescent is a crescent that is growing in area. Now after the half moon, the moon's shape becomes gibbous as the illuminated portion keeps growing. The gibbous moon keeps getting larger and larger until we find a full moon. The gibbous moon that was growing is called a waxing gibbous. Just as the growing crescent was called a waxing crescent. Now at the full moon, we are looking at the moon from the same direction as the sun, which happens to be approximately behind the earth. Now after the full moon, the moon becomes gibbous again. But this time it's shrinking in size, so it's called a waning gibbous. It's a waning gibbous or a gibbous that's shrinking in size. Continuing on, it becomes a half moon again. And after becoming a half moon, it continues to shrink in size as a crescent. And here, this crescent is called a waning crescent. A crescent that is shrinking in size. And finally, the waning crescent shrinks completely and we get a new moon again.